Welcome to Quickpass. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to onboard the Quickpass self-serve mobile app for the first time. The first step is to check your email. You'll notice that you have an email either from your IT service provider or your IT department with Welcome to Quickpass in the subject line. Go ahead and open that email. In the email, you'll notice a link to register your mobile phone number. Also at the bottom, you'll notice there's a note that shows you what region you're in. That's an important thing to remember for the first time that you open up the mobile app. In my case, it's North America. So I'm just going to remember that for when I get to that step. Now I'm going to click the register mobile phone number link. It's going to redirect me to a web page where I can enter in my mobile phone number. And on the left-hand side, I'm going to select the country where my mobile phone is from. In this case, it's Canada. I'm going to then type in my mobile phone number, hit send at the bottom. I'm then going to receive an SMS code with a one-time passcode that I want to enter in the boxes provided. I can either look at the code and manually type it in, or if I have an iPhone or a newer Android device, it will auto-detect the number from the SMS message, and I can hit this option to auto-fill it in. Once you do that, click verify. It's then going to show you that the phone number is verified, and you'll see at the bottom of that page links to download the app from either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. In my case, I'm going to go to the Apple App Store. You now have the option to then download the app. Once the app is downloaded, I can go ahead and open it. I want to make sure that I hit allow on the would like to send you notifications warning box, because if I do not allow, I won't be able to receive notifications when my passwords expire. This is the spot where we select the region that was from the note in the welcome email. The options are either North America or Europe, and in my case, it's North America. I'll then go and type in my email address in the enter your work email box. Once I have done that, I'll hit get started. It will then show me the last 4 digits of the mobile phone number that I've previously registered, and then I click send. In this case, it's actually going to send a temporary passphrase code, which is more secure for this step, to enter in the box provided. Now in this step, I'm going to go to my SMS message. I'm going to then copy that particular message with passcode, and I'm then going to go back to the app, click on the box, and I'm going to paste the temporary passcode there. Once I've done that, I'm going to hit get started. And now I'm in the app for the very first time. The last thing you want to do is close the app and open it up again, because you will then be shown the approval of whether or not you want to allow the system, in my case on an iPhone, to use Touch ID or Face ID. And you want to make sure you hit OK, because if you hit don't allow, you won't be able to get into the app for the first time. If you don't have Touch ID or Face ID enabled on your device, it will default to a passcode that you've got on your iPhone, or if it's Android, it will be a pin or pattern. If you have neither of those enabled, you won't be able to get back into the app for the second time until you enable one of those options. And that's it.